think, you mind if I take your car so I don't have to unpack all my swim stuff
Where are you going?
tonight?
Oh. Um.
On my phone.
We'll need one more. Good afternoon, remote attendees. This is Debbie. We are just waiting for one more member in person to get our quorum. So if you could just hold on a moment and we'll get the meeting started as soon as we get that member in. Thanks.
Watch it. It's been about 20 years since I had one of. Joan, at this point, I will call the meeting of the Cook County nominating, committee, health nominating committee to order. And I will ask that our, secretary, Debbie Santana, conduct a roll call, please.
Thank you. I will call the roll by organization, and if the representative present can state their name. Association of Community Safety Net Hospitals,
Marcia Jimenez,
Chicago Department of Public Health, Jennifer Vitus, Chicago Federation of Labor,
Andrea Kluger,
Chicago Medical Society,
Peter Orris,
Chicago Urban League,
Karen Freeman Wilson,
Civic Committee of the Commercial Club of Chicago,
Thea Meyer,
Civic Federation of Chicago,
Joe Ferguson,
Cook County Physicians Association, Health and Medicine Policy Research Group,
Wesley Eplin,
Healthcare Financial Management Association,
Fred Lebed,
Illinois Public Health Association,
Sue Avila.
Illinois Health and Hospital Association. You have a quorum.
Right. Wonderful. At this time, I'd like to entertain a motion to allow Dia Meyer, Andrea Kluger, and Marcia Jimenez to attend remotely.
so moved. Second.
Okay, it's been moved and seconded. Is there any further discussion on the motion? Hearing none. All in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
All opposed, use the same sign. The ayes have it, and the motion carries. At this time, we will receive any public testimonies from members of the public who are present. And I do not see members of the public present. Okay, prior to getting into the details of the meeting or the meat of the meeting, I just want to ask if anyone has any questions about the process. I thank you for your nominations. I think we have a robust list, and we can proceed.
Madam Chair, could I just get a bit of a refresh? And I'm not putting you on the spot. I think this is more a question for Deb. What's the pipeline of need in the near term, and how should we be considering the whole here? At times we have done immediate nominees and designated pool members for future purpose, and I know that there's multiple openings that are coming along the way.
This particular activation, it involves the 2 expected vacancies in October,
Yep.
and then 2 vacancies expected in January. So that's a total of 4 vacancies that we're dealing with this particular. So that's 3 names per vacancy, which is 12 names. And so they decided to put both the October and January into one activation.
Terrific. And in the event, and so would we be passing all 12 for the 2 that are coming, and then the non-selected carry over? Is that how that would work?
The way the president's letter was written, she is considering all 4 of those expected vacancies
At once.
at one time. So she's expecting 12 names by June 11th, I believe is the right day. So it's all going to be done at once.
Thank you for the clarification, process-wise.
So our job is to send her 12 names today.
Yep.
So I was confused because one of the people has died.
Right.
So that vacancy won't be opened up till October, or is that going to be an immediate?
That information wasn't really detailed in the
Oh.
letter, but I do know you are correct. We do have a current vacancy, the passing of Mia Webster Cross and she's one of the January vacancies. So I don't know what the plan is specifically to that, but there is definitely a vacancy currently, and there will be a vacancy for that particular seat beginning in January.
Hi, it's Dia. If I can just, I understand that we're trying to do 12 in one day, which seems like a lot. At one time, because I have like 3 or 4 people that are interested, but couldn't, with the time frame, get stuff that are really great. So I just, I know what Tony, the president, asked for. Just, I am, since January is a little while away, I wonder if we have to do all 12 today, but that's,
Per the letter, we do. It wasn't
it wasn't an option.
No, it is not.
If sorry for intruding, I just wonder if maybe a communication back to the president that we stand, if she looked at the whole 12 and she knew that she needed some more, we stand ready to
I think
follow
that
up
would be appropriate.
in the fall.
Yeah, indicate that to her, and I think that's a great way to frame it, Joe. Yeah, thank you.
I agree.
Did you hear that?
I did. I think,
you hear that?
in light of the request, I think that makes perfect sense.
Yep.
And,
Yep.
and I do have some people working on it that could be on deck. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
And if I may also, from time to time, there are nominees that have to drop out for whatever reason, and we have been reactivated by the president, like a couple months later, so that at points we have, you have determined that you'd like to have like a lineup of backup candidates. And now whether that's something that you want to do, or given Dia's comments, maybe not have backup candidates, but know that you've got backup candidates for any future activation.
Yes. Maybe tell her that in our letter that we stand ready to be reactivated with backup candidates.
And just for awareness, are there additional terms that are expiring in 27?
Not in 27, no.
Okay.
All right. So at this point, we are going to adjourn, or I'll entertain a motion for adjournment so that we can go into the closed meeting.
Madam Chair, we aren't going to be adjourning. We're going to be a motion to go into closed session. So
Okay.
we still have to come back into this open session
Got
to
it, got
adjourn.
it. So we wouldn't adjourn this meeting. Thank you.
Right.
Thank you for
Thank
that,
you.
that distinction. So we're not going to adjourn. We're just going to go into closed session.
So moved. Second.
All righty. So we'll go into the closed meeting at this point.
If I may, we're supposed to have a roll call vote on the
Okay.
motion to go into, it's state law, I'm
Yes.
sorry.
Yes, yes. So those in, Debbie is going to take a roll call vote for our closed meeting.
Roll call vote, the motion to go into closed session. Aye or nay? Marcia Jimenez?
Aye.
Jennifer Vitus?
Aye.
Andrea Kluger?
Aye.
Dr. Orris?
Aye.
Chair Freeman Wilson?
Aye.
Dia Meyer?
Aye.
Joe Ferguson?
Aye.
Dr. Taylor? Is absent. Wesley Eplin?
Aye.
Fred Lebed?
Aye.
Susan Avila?
Aye.
And Jennifer Kohler is just walking in. Jennifer Kohler, roll call vote on the motion to go into closed session. Aye or nay? Aye. Okay. You have 11 yeas and 1 absent, and we can move into closed session.
Let's move into closed session.
It takes a minute or two.
You have